Good evening. Tonight's the night that we're going to do the first stealth camp. So pretty excited about that and just getting the gear ready, and then we'll be heading out. Just kind of a word that we're really going to be stealth camping in a tight urban area, probably within maybe closest deck on the condo, maybe 25 or 30 feet away. So we're going to have to whisper, and the lights are going to be off as a lot, but I think we have a plan as far as lighting, so it's not super bad. So anyway, we're going to go out there and get this thing started, and so we'll see you inside the site next. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy. Here we are at the site. You can hear that crunch under my feet. That's wet snow. I put my gear in here already so that we could take our time and just show you guys what we have here. It's a hole in the bushes onto a electrical box clearing, and like I say, there's quite a nice enclosed area here. Now it's going over right up there is condos. Don't want to be on that side. Got to stay away from that thing. Okay, here we go. This is perfect. I'm going to keep the lights off and set up camp right here. So, okay. See you guys when I get the gear. Security. That's a little better, but I don't know. It's too much. Little burner. Fire. We're on super stealth mode right now because we can see the lights on the balcony right next to us here, like I say, 30 feet away. So anyway, we'll see what this little burner can do, and we're going to have one of my favorite meals, which is sausage in the bun. Okay, I'm going to just eat this sausage and then hit the sack. So I'm just going to turn the camera off. There's not really much room in here. I guess it's time to hit the sack, so I've got my ground sheet down and my 20 below sleeping bag, so I should be okay. Anyway, good night, and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. There's a guy right next door. We gotta get out of here. So anyway, that was fun. On the way out, I'm gonna try and show you what it looked like, because we got here so late last night and it was dark. But so I'm gonna take it off the tripod and just do some freestyle YouTubing on the way out. Hopefully this guy behind me who's shoveling doesn't give us any trouble. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Good shots, okay. Day this morning, cars stuck everywhere. There's the cops right there. There's police. All sorts of... That's where we were, right in there. And okay, that was a good YouTube. Thanks very much for watching. That was really fun. Take care.